rafters down here, slightly bent. There's no purlins, there's just props holding the roof up, which is not a problem because that's the way it's built on this one. This side we've got cracks all the way down that rafter. They've been caused by the moisture that's been in the roof for a while. In summer it gets in, more cracks there, look. It's a little bit wet in, but these are the most severe ones. They just happen to be just about in the middle of the roof, where all the weight is. Can't find a certificate for the fiberglass, but the fiberglass is, let's talk about that for a second. If you look down there, it's black. That means that it's not working correctly. It's sucking air through and it shouldn't be doing it. It should be deflecting the air and the heat. If it's letting air through, it's letting heat through. It's boarded. That shows me that the rafters are 4x2, which is not really good for a boarded roof because it can affect the ceiling below. These are not supposed to be used as a walking place, and also the fiberglass below this boarding is compressed. It's not working. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. They're leaving the roof wide open to damp. The other part of the roof I can't really get to, so I can't come on it. I don't know what that is. There's some kind of thing there.